where Americans waste money without realizing. Most Americans don't realize this. They're losing money every single day. Without buying anything expensive. Not vacations. Not luxury cars. Not designer brands. It's small, invisible leaks. And over time, those tiny leaks can cost thousands of dollars a year. Stay till the end, because the last money leak is the one almost nobody notices, but it drains the most. People think financial problems come from big mistakes. They don't. Most money loss comes from small habits repeated daily. The scary part? You don't feel it happening. Because these expenses are automatic, normalized, and invisible. Today, we're breaking down the biggest hidden money leaks Americans deal with and how to stop them immediately. Money leak 1: Forgotten subscriptions. This is the most common leak. Streaming services, apps, memberships, free trials. $10 here, $15 there. It feels harmless. But here's the reality. Most Americans pay for at least 3 to 5 subscriptions they don't use. That can easily be $50 to $150 per month. Or $600 to $1,800 per year. All for things you forgot existed. Subscriptions are dangerous because they're automatic. And automatic spending is invisible spending. Money leak 2: Delivery and convenience fees. Food delivery isn't just food. It's delivery fee, service fee, tax, tip, price markup. That $12 meal often becomes $25. Many Americans don't realize they're paying double for convenience. Ordering just 3 times per week can cost $200 to $400 extra per month. That's thousands per year for convenience alone. Money leak 3: Credit card interest. Interest is the quietest money leak. Because you don't see it happen. If you carry a balance, interest works against you every day. Many Americans pay $500, $1,000, even $2,000 per year in interest alone. Not for purchases. Just for borrowing. Interest doesn't feel painful. Because it's slow. But slow drains are the most dangerous. Money leak 4: Impulse spending. Impulse spending isn't about money. It's about emotion. Online shopping made spending effortless. One click. Instant purchase. Done. Most impulse buys are small. $20, $30, $50. But repeated weekly? That becomes hundreds per month. Retailers design apps to trigger impulse decisions. Not because they want you to buy more, but because they know you will. Money leak 5: Unused memberships. Gym memberships, premium apps, online courses, club memberships. People sign up with motivation. But motivation fades. Payments don't. Many Americans keep paying for services they stopped using months ago. Why? Because canceling requires effort. And effort is enough to stop most people. Money leak 6: Late fees and penalties. Late payments are one of the most avoidable leaks. Late fee. Interest spike. Penalty charge. One missed due date can cost $25 to $40 instantly. Miss multiple? That's hundreds gone for nothing. Late fees don't buy anything. They're pure loss. And they happen mostly because people rely on memory instead of systems. Money leak 7: Not tracking spending. This is the biggest one. Most Americans don't track where their money goes. Not daily. Not weekly. Not monthly. When you don't track money, you lose control of it. What you don't measure You can't improve. People who track spending once per month often discover something shocking. They were wasting hundreds without realizing it. The real reason this happens. Most people think they waste money because they lack discipline. That's not true. They waste money because they lack systems. Discipline is unreliable. Systems are automatic. People who manage money well don't try harder. They automate smarter. How smart Americans fix this? People who stop money leaks usually do three things. They track spending automatically. They cancel unused charges. They set payment rules. Many now use apps or AI tools that detect waste, alert overspending, categorize expenses, optimize payments. When systems run in the background, money stops leaking in the background. Final message. Most people don't lose money in big dramatic ways. They lose it quietly, slowly, automatically, silently. Fix the leaks, and your financial life changes faster than you think. If you want simple money systems, AI tools, and smart financial strategies Americans are using right now, subscribe to The Money System. Because financial success isn't about earning more. It's about losing less.